Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can draw on a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the gallery app. Then in the gallery app, you want to go down and select a picture that you want to draw over. So for example, I'm going to select a picture, say this one right here, and then tap on the edit button. Next, go down and tap on the draw icon right here, decorations. And here you have a few different pen tools that you can use. So here you got the basic pen tool, and then you got highlighter. Next you got the mosaic or pattern pen, and the last one is the eraser. Okay, so with the pen tool, if you tap on it, then you can choose a different pen type. You can also change the thickness of the pen. In here you can choose a style of pen, and then you got the shape pens in here. So you can also increase or decrease the shape of the pen. And over here you can also change the transparency of that pen color. And at the bottom here you can select a color. You can also tap on the swatches to select a different color, or you can select a color from a spectrum. Then tap on done. Okay, so after that you can then tap on the close button and start drawing. If you have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can also use the S Pen to draw on the screen as well. Now, you can also use the highlighter. If you tap on the highlighter again, there are different highlighter type that you can select. So this is a straight line. And then if I tap on that, I can choose this normal standard highlighter. You can also choose the strength of the highlighter and the thickness of your highlighter. And then you got the pattern pen. In here you can choose different patterns. You can choose the size and the shape of the pen. And then if you want, you can use the eraser to erase what you have drawn so far. And that's it. And if you want, you can use stickers. You can draw stickers on your device. There are a lot of different stickers that you can choose, and you can also resize your stickers. You can rotate it. You can move it around the picture itself, or you can simply type in your own custom text. And you can align it. You can choose a different color, and you can choose a background, different background as well. And once you're finished, you can tap on the done button and then tap on save to save the changes. And that's it. That is how you can draw on a picture in the gallery or in the photo editor on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.